Hi guys. Hey, I want to do a follow up of the Cessna 150 Guillows kit. Like I said, it can be a rubber powered uh, gas engine or electric. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna do it. I haven't decided exactly on the power system yet, but I think I'm gonna go with the parkzone setup where it's got the motor and the um, ESC, the receiver, servos all kind of built into one little circuit board, and then just runs off a little one cell or two cell battery. Um, but anyway, I like I said, I started this back in 2006, 2007, somewhere in that range. Um, and basically just put it up and kind of forgot about it. But if you ever built a Goalless kit, they are a lot of fun. I mean, you're literally building an airplane like an airplane is built. There's the wing set up, and then the fuselage, building the fuselage, and the cockpit area, and then the base of what it looks like when it's done. And then the color scheme and whatnot. Um, so what I've done is, like I said, I got quite a ways with it. Here's the fuselage, and I added the struts through the fuselage to support the wings. There's a couple light pieces of carbon fiber, and since I'd already knew I was gonna fly at RC, I started to close off the nose area, just to kind of try to strengthen everything because these balsa, I mean, you can break these little stringers very easily. So what I done was I just took the pieces, I cut them, set them inside, and then took the watery, real thin CA and just CA'd all of it so that it's all going to be even stronger with the CA. Um, yeah, that's where I'm at on the fuselage. Um, I've got the right wing done, my left wing done. Um, the horizontal stabilizer I'm working on because, like I said, I'm making it where the elevator works and everything like that. So that's kind of as far as I got on that. The vertical stabilizer I've got built. I haven't got the rudder itself built, but I had got these little Dubrow hinges and got them in place so I can put the elevator on, or the rudder on, excuse me. And I'll build that the same way with the elevator and horizontal stabilizer. Um, but yeah, I mean, it's definitely interesting. I got some different wheels are foam, because these are the ones that come with it, and they're plastic. I don't know. I may use them. I may not. I'm not sure. Then there's the firewall. I got the engine column cut out, and then just the stuff that's in the box still. Some more wood. That's a nice little sheet of balsa. And just another thing about the Cessna 150. This is actually the build sheet of it here. A little better. Even though it's actually not the Cessna. Yeah, it is. That looks more like a Cub to me, but okay. Then your catalog and some stuff about the rubber power, your decals, nice instrument panel decal, and then all your plastic parts, your pilot, your spinner, your wheel pants, you know, and then just more pieces that I haven't got put in yet or whatever. There's your fabric tissue, which I'm not going to do fabric tissue. I'm going to use monocoat on it, and that way it looks good. It's going to be durable, and it will cover the wood, make it look good. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you a video of where I left off at back in, like I said, probably 2006, 2007 was the last time I'd done any work to this, and talk about bringing back an old project. But it's still going to be a good one, and I really think it'll fly good. What I'm kind of hoping to do is fly it if we're able to get indoor flying this winter at the college. Our flying club, we usually fly at the Defiance College, and if so, hopefully I can get this thing done and do some indoor flying with it. But if not, it'll be great for taking out to the regular field when everything thaws out. But anyway, like I said, I wanted to give you part one of where the plane is. Like I said, I started building a long time ago, and I'm got a pretty good start on it. So now I just got to get her finished up and get her in the air. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys stay safe, and I will keep you posted. There's more cool things to come. Take care, guys. Bye.